Good afternoon. Ek word weer Yeshua, walking in his footprints. So for the past couple of years, I've been studying the creation, because when I look at trees and mountains and grass and the sea and everything around me, I see success. I see every year the tree brings forth fruit. It brings forth seeds. Those seeds, when planted, grow again. They germinate and they grow. So there's a success story. And I've been following the creation to extract a pattern from creation. And in my daily studies, I have been looking to emulate creation, to follow the pattern, to emulate creation. But in doing so, I realized that the only way to truly follow the pattern and emulate creation is by putting my feet in the feet of Yeshua the Messiah. And in that way, I then lead a Zakar life. Okay, so what does Zakar mean? Zakar is the Hebrew word for what happens in the mind, or what takes place in the mind is actioned through the hand. So what is planted, we can actually say planted in the mind, is then actioned through the hand. So the seeds that are sown inside my head from the word is then actioned through my hands in the fruit that I produce from the tree. And we'll talk about the tree a lot more, because there's so much in the tree, and we were grafted into the ancient olive tree. Let's not forget that. But in following the pattern, emulate creation, walking in the footprints, putting my feet in the footprints of Yeshua, and actually then leading a covenant life, the first thing that I need to do is I need to follow the pattern of creation, which says it was day, it was night, and then it was day. So during the night, what did Yeshua do? Yeshua prayed first thing in the morning. Yeshua got up before anybody else got up, and he prayed. So when I did my studies, I realized I got up at 4:30 at some stage, and then I actually started getting up at 4 o'clock in the mornings. And then I heard the voice. I heard the voice, and I knew that what was prepared in the night for me would actually be revealed to me first thing in the morning. My brain would be so bright, and that I would receive these downloads first thing in the morning of what Yutevave has prepared in the pattern, in the order, because there was darkness, then he created. Darkness, then he created. So I want those downloads.